Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to do lip swatches for all the lip products of the Catrice advent calendar. I have also done an unboxing video that you can see all the products that you can find in the Catrice advent calendar, and I will have a card here for you to find it easier. Let me know in the comments below if you like advent calendars and if you found one that you like. Share this video with a friend that likes advent calendars. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the swatches. On my lips now I have the Velvet Matte Lipstick by Essence. This is in the color Hungry Pink. I have done lip swatches for all the colors. I have also done a wear test so you can see if the lipstick is long lasting. You can find the video in a card here. To prepare my lips I have done a lip scrub with a little bit of sugar and honey. I will start with the liquid lip powder Metal Matte. This is in the shade Frame of Roses, and I never used lip powders on me. I'm very curious to see how this one will work, and it has a very pleasant scent and it has a doe foot applicator. It is very creamy and comfortable on the lips. I feel like it's not very pigmented. I'm not very sure if I need to let it dry, so I will wait for a few minutes. In the beginning it was very creamy, now it is getting drier and a little bit uncomfortable on the lips. It's not as shiny as in the beginning, and also it looks like I lost the intensity of the color here because I have pressed my lips together. When you press your lips it is very sticky. The product doesn't stay in place. Next we have the Lip Dresser Shine Stylo. This is in the shade 10, Simply Natural Perfection. This one is not twistable and you just press the button and the product gets out. This one feels like a balm. It's not very pigmented. You need to apply a few layers to make the color more intense. It is very comfortable and it feels moisturizing on the lips. My only issue with this packaging is that the product stays like this and I'm not able to twist it and take it down into the tube. My lips look very fresh and glossy and healthy. Nothing wrong about that. Next I will use the lip dresser in the color 40 More Than Pinkyful. If you make any mistakes, it is easy to remove them just with a Q-tip. That's nice. It doesn't stain the skin. I like the color and I like that it has this luxurious glossy finish. I think it makes the lips moisturize. I just don't like the packaging. It has a slippery formula but it doesn't move. It stays in place. This one stained my lips a little bit, but it's okay. I don't have another lighter shade. I will continue with another lip dresser. This is in the color Surf and Turf in Grape Down. If you want a more precise application, you can apply a lip pencil in the same color to outline your lips or even as a base, and after that use this type of product, and it is very comfortable on the lips, very glossy. It looks luxurious, healthy. I like this finish on my lips because my lips are always so dry. After that I'm going to apply the Ultimate Stay lipstick in the color 150 Chocolate Kiss. This is a rich brown chocolatey lipstick. Let's see how it looks. This one moves a little bit. If you press your lips together, you can see that the color, it's not very opaque on the upper part, and I can see my stained lips. It's not very visible. If you like brown lipsticks, this one is so beautiful and it is very comfortable on the lips. It has a satin finish, not a matte, not a glossy. I prefer this over a matte finish that makes my lips so dry. Next, we have the Ultimate Stay lipstick in in the color 160. Don't worry, be berry. I'm guessing it is a berry lipstick. I'm right. This also has a velvet matte finish and it is very comfortable on the lips. The color is very beautiful. It moves just a little bit if you press your lips together, but if you apply a lip pencil as a base, it will stay in place. The shape of the lipstick is not very convenient to apply the product on the lips. You can also use a lip brush if you want to apply your lip products. Problem solved. And after that, I'm going to use the Ultimate Color lipstick in the color 420 Plum Fiction. We have one more berry lipstick and let's see how this one looks and if it is a different formula. This one is more shiny than the previous one and also it has a more intense berry color. If I press my lips together, the color is not very opaque. On the upper part of my lip, I can see a line with no lip color. With a lip pencil as a base all over the lips, you can make this little guy here stay in place. It is easier to apply this one over the Ultimate Stay because of the shape of the lipstick. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below what is your favorite lipstick of this advent calendar. Mine, I think it is this lip dresser in the color More Than Pinkyful. It was so luxurious on the lips and it was looking so beautiful. I think the color is fantastic. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!